I am Uncle William, and today I'll be talking about modal auxiliary verb, may. May is used to express permission. Examples: she may borrow my books if she likes. Doyen and Oscar may come with us if they like. They may go ahead with the exercise. It is used to express possibility. Examples: the river may be dammed. The boy may arrive from Lapuya this afternoon. The road may be blocked for the burial ceremony. It is often used to express compulsion in legal terms. Examples: you may not beat drum here. You may not stay beyond 4 p.m. in the office. You may not have a carnal knowledge of a girl under 13 years. Auntie Jennifer will tell you about modal auxiliary verb, might, tomorrow.
I am Mr. Ferdinand, the principal of Doyen International Group of Schools. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.